Hi, welcome to By TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. Lately, I'm chatting with a lot of customers, and guess what? Hand embroidery is really popular right now. But I have also heard this a lot. Hats seem kind of hard to embroider, especially for beginners. It's normal to worry about messing up. But here's the thing: the harder the project, the bigger the profit. That's why hat embroidery has always been in high demand in customer market. You have probably seen styles like your baseball caps, truck hats, and dead hats, all super popular. And today's style is the dead hat. This softer, relaxed hat actually has some major embroidery potential. Want to make money? Start with this one. Before we start the embroidery, let's clean up a common question. What exactly is a dead hat? Here's the one I have on hand. It's a soft cotton cap with a low crown and a slightly curved brim, and it gives off that laid-back vintage feel. Most have a vehicle or a metal buckle strap on the back for adjustment. Dead hats are casual, retro, and easy to style. Whether you are into straight wear or vintage wraps, they go with everything. That's why they are so loved by young people and trending brands. Now let's talk about the part everyone's curious about: profit. So is it worth it? Let's break it down. Basic unbranded dead hats usually cost between $2 to $10 wholesale. Higher quality or branded ones like Yupon, Flex Fit, or Richardson can go for $5 to $30. So while I'm holding cost about $5 and typically resales for $12 to $18, that's a solid $10 profit per hat. And if you are doing small batches customer orders for brands, teams, or events, the price can go even higher. So is dead hat embroidering hard? Actually, not really. Most dead hats use a flat embroidery. No need to worry about the 3D puff stitching like on baseball caps. If you are using by embroidery machine and you run at around 800 stitches per minute, a 5,000 stitch design takes just 8 to 10 minutes to complete. Sounds good, right? Solid profit, short embroidering time, and it's easier than most people expect. Getting excited to start? Hold on. Let's first talk about what kind of embroidering designs work best on dead hats. Because of their soft structure, the best designs are simple, clean, and bold. Let's start with some design tips. Simple text and slogans work especially well on dead hats. Since the structure is pretty soft, overly complicated design might not look great. So clean and minimal words, physics, or logos are the way to go. Next up, small graphics or icons. You can use cute illustrations, symbols, or plant elements. Anything small and detailed. This kind of designs looks amazing when embroidered. Think little animals, flowers, or geometric shapes. Retro style designs also perfect. Dead hats already have a vintage vibe, so pairing them with old school fonts, classic budget style logos, or American sports style graphics is a match made in heaven. Once you have got your design down, here's the exciting part. Dead hats have a huge market for customization. You can offer customer embroidering for business, schools, teams, pretty much any group or organization. It's not just a good way to make some money, it also builds your brand and brings in loyal customers. Lots of companies like to order customer hats with their logos or team culture for their staff uniforms. You could even reach out to them directly and see if they are interested in embroidery service. It might take some efforts to land your first order, but once you do, it could open a lot of doors. Schools are also great potential customers, seeing student clubs, sports teams, graduation events, and more. Dead hats are trendy, comfy, and affordable, which makes them ideal for group orders. Just getting started with embroidery, dead hats are a fantastic entry point. Try doing small customer batches first, get some customer feedback, and refine your designs. As you grow, you will be able to take on bigger projects, not just the hats, but maybe even shirts too. So now that you know that market, styles, and the embroidering potential of dead hats. Ready to begin? Then don't miss my next video. I will show you step by step how to embroider a dead hat, so you can easily get started and create the best dead hat embroidery ever.